Bankruptcy, presented by me, Dr. Vook, Ph.D. Originally, British bankruptcy laws were designed to help creditors collect debts from debtors. The first bankruptcy laws let creditors take all of the debtor's money and property, including the actual shirt off his back. If the seized assets were not enough to pay off the debt, then the debtor was tossed into debtor's prison. Back in the medieval times, debtor's prison was enacted to lock up people that wouldn't, or most likely couldn't, pay their debts. Many argue that the punishment was worse than the crime, especially since the families of the prisoners often went poor paying off the debt while the offender served his time. In some countries, prisoners were released from prison only to become indentured servants. While this is hardly a better fate than being imprisoned, one should keep in mind that those put away in debtor's prison rarely ever left. After witnessing his own father get sent off to debtor's prison, novelist Charles Dickens often wrote about this form of punishment in his stories. Thankfully, debtor's prison disappeared sometime during the 19th century.